You know what? Rub some dirt in it. You'll be fine.
Was that hurt at all, Louis?
Only when I breathe or swallow.
Oh! What's that all about?
When the Zonktop driver whacked me in the throat, he contused my larynx. The doctor said I should be better in a week or two.
You're gonna sound like that for 2 weeks?
Yeah, give or take a couple days, but he said it's gonna get worse before it gets better.
I can't wait for it to get worse.
It's a little disturbing.
You crazy, Chief? This is entertaining as hell. Hey, do the movie trailer voice for him.
Oh.
In a world full of fear, where right is wrong and up is down, one man has the courage to take on the system.
Oh, no way!
Autobots transform and roll out.
Autobots, transform and roll out.
Optimus Prime is here!
Beef. It's what's for dinner.
Beef, it's what's for dinner.